Hi, welcome to Padai Planet, and we have got another question from quadratic equations, and this is to do with the roots of the equations of the quadratic equation. Now, what it says is that we need to find out the value of k, right? We need to find out the value of k in the given quadratic equation, right? So here we have k, and so here it is, and so that it says that they have the two equal roots, right? Now we know with the properties of the the roots of any quadratic equation, we know that if the discriminant, right, which is also called as d, if the discriminant of the quadratic equation, right, is equal to, if the discriminant, which is say d, if this is equal to 0, that means we can say that the roots are equal, that the roots are equal, right? Now, let's, try and understand, like discriminant is d is equal to b square minus 4ac, right? Now, what we need to say is, understand here is that they're saying like the discriminant is equal to 0 because they are having the roots are two equal roots of this particular quadratic equation. So that means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. And if we compare this 2x square plus kx plus 3 with the standard form of the quadratic equation, and that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now, if we compare, then we can easily find out that a is equal to 2, right? That's the coefficient of x square, and b is equal to k here, right? So that's like k, and c is equal to 3. Now that we have got all these three values here, these three values, we will simply put them into this equation and we can find out the value of k then, right? So b square means k square minus 4 times a, that's 2, and c means 3, so that's like 3, okay, and all of it is equal to 0. So this is like k square minus 24 is equal to 0. Now, which means that k square is equal to 24 and k is equal to square root 24, and that's equal to 2 root 6, right? So this is the answer, this is the value of k, and I hope you could understand. This was a very simple question, but looks very difficult in the examination because we are normally trained for finding the value of x in any of the quadratic equations and not the value of any of its coefficients like x coefficient k. So it's a very simple thing. Since the roots are two equal roots, that means the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, right? And we already know the value of a and c. B is k, so let's simply put these values and we can then find out the answer. So I hope you could understand. It was a very simple question, and keep watching these videos. In case you have any doubts or any clarification which is required, please feel free to be in touch with you and I will solve all your questions for grade 10 CBSE math. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye bye and take care.